Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, I'm giving you demonstration how to use mobile pay. आज भी और कल भी. Some day ago launched this application and this application look like Paytm, Google Pay, but this application are designed and developed in India only, not in any foreign country investment or not any foreign brands. This application is absolutely freely available on App Store, iOS or Android Play Store, and this application works same like Paytm and Google Pay. You can create your account and store some money in this mobile application wallet and use anywhere in for the online shopping as well as supermarket, mall or even petrol pump. So how to deal with this application? Let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel. Open your Google. You can do same process in your mobile device also. So just I am type in Google mobile P and first URL is come recharge and pay on mobile pay. So this is a web page of this application. You can use for the DTH recharge, mobile phone recharge or any other places you can use this application for the free. So now sign up. First of all, you use the referral code and earn 500 rupees. I'm putting my referral code in video description. You can use this referral code and enjoy. I'm using referral code of my brother, so just I'm entering his referral code, so his full name is automatically comes here. So now I type my name here, middle name, last name, mobile number and email address, pin code 431001. So accordingly pin code, state and city is come. Wait couple of seconds accordingly. So pin code Maharashtra and state Maharashtra, city is Aurangabad. So I am add here my OTP, one time password is not valid. So OTP is successfully verified. Enter. So my account is create. It's very simple. Now I install this application in my mobile phone and now I can use for the mobile application, mobile recharge, DTS recharge, apply as a card. I can apply for the card and card cost is 600 including GST. Same card are comes in like your debit card and credit card, like that way. You can pay some insurance money also using this application. And my dashboard is here. This is my dashboard actually for this application. Setu application also merge for in this particular app tracking for the COVID people. This is today's date. My order, I'm not order anything now. Several options are available here. Affiliated shop near me, not a single affiliated, no, all categories are available here. You can use this different categories actually in right now I am not in living in India, so affiliated shop is not display here, but you are living in India, so comes affiliated shops and some dictionary, some places names are come. So like entertainment, I am living right now in Germany, so I am using this application in this two place also. So accordingly you are living in India, so all places comes nearby you. It's very simple. So dashboard, mobile phone, just like you can enter mobile phone, select which company, amount and some you can see the some plan also in this particular mobile number and proceed. Just simple. You can use earliest in Paytm and Google Pay, same like this app are working, but these applications are in Indian applications, so you remove all Paytm, Google Play and rest of application and store this application and use. It's very helpful. Hope you like this video and all explanation. You have any query, comment या यदि आपका कोई सुझाव हो तो प्लीज मुझे कमेंट करके बताइए. Accordingly I will improve my video quality as well as my explanation. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks and press the bell icon. you don't miss upcoming videos. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.